As Americans prepare to celebrate the 4th of July, millions of people proudly say they have an ancestor who fought in the Revolutionary War. But what if your family's patriot never picked up a musket? What if your ancestor played a critical role in America's fight for independence, yet their story has been forgotten for more than 250 years? Today, I want to show you how to uncover secret patriots who may be hiding in your own family tree. When most people think of Revolutionary War ancestors, they picture soldiers marching across battlefields. But wars aren't won by soldiers alone. Someone had to make uniforms, grow food, transport supplies, care for the wounded, deliver messages, and provide shelter. Merchants, blacksmiths, nurses, wagon drivers, ministers, and ordinary citizens all helped the Patriot cause. Many of these people never received the recognition they deserved, yet without them, the outcome of the revolution might have been very different. The challenge is that these stories aren't always easy to find. Revolutionary War records can be incomplete. Names were often spelled several different ways, and many people shared the same names. If your ancestor was named John Smith or William Brown, sorting through the records can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. That's why so many of these remarkable people remain hidden in family trees today. So how do you know if you have a secret patriot? Start by identifying ancestors who lived in one of the 13 colonies between 1775 and 1783. Then ask yourself what role they may have played during the Revolution. Did they provide supplies, sign an oath of allegiance, serve in a local militia, pay taxes that supported the Patriot cause? Sometimes the answer isn't found in a military record at all. Fortunately, there are several excellent places to begin your search. The free Daughters of the American Revolution genealogical research system contains thousands of documented Revolutionary War patriots and is an excellent starting point if you think an ancestor may have supported the cause. The SAR Patriot and Grave Index, maintained by the Sons of the American Revolution, is another outstanding free resource. You should also search military service records, pension files, and probate records on FamilySearch. If you have an Ancestry subscription, their Revolutionary War collections can also provide valuable clues. Finally, don't overlook county histories, state archives, and local historical societies. These collections often contain the small details that reveal your ancestor's story. One of the things I love most about genealogy is that history suddenly becomes personal. The Revolutionary War stops being something you learned in school and becomes the story of your own family. Every document you discover helps you understand not only where your ancestors lived, but how they contributed to one of the most important moments in American history. Even if they never carried a rifle, their sacrifices and service mattered. So as you celebrate Independence Day this year, take a few minutes and wonder whether one of your ancestors helped shape America's founding in a way your family has simply forgotten. You may be surprised by what you discover. If you've uncovered a Revolutionary War patriot or another ancestor who played an unexpected role in history, I'd love to hear about it. Share your story in the comments below. And if you enjoy genealogy tips, family history, and discovering the incredible stories hidden in old records, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell. I post new genealogy videos every week, and I'd love to help you make your next family history breakthrough. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a safe and happy 4th of July, and I'll see you in the next one.